Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do left hand makeup challenge. Yes, and it's been a while I haven't done any fun kind of video, and so if you guys want to see how I am going to do makeup by my left hand, please keep on watching. And also if you guys want to subscribe my channel, and please do it, and also hit that notification bell as well. So let's go. I'm going to use the left hand only. So first I'm going to use this Frazzle Unicorn Essence as a primer. Actually it's a serum, but it works as a primer as well. So yes. Okay. Oh my god, it's very hard. It's completely different. It's my left hand. Okay. I'm not lefty. Maybe it's gonna be hard for me. So for the eyebrows, I'm going to use this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. Where is my mirror? Okay, let's do this. And oh my god, it's very hard, guys. Like, what? Oh my god. What? Wow, look at this. It's just so awkward. I don't know. Don't judge me. Wow. What? Are you serious? And I'm going to clean this mess with my left hand finger like this. Okay. Look at this brows, man. It's so scary. But that's okay, it's a challenge after all. I'm going to use this clear gel from Anastasia. Go ahead. Okay, look at this brows. Oh my god. It looks so horrible. And then it's time for concealer. For the concealer, I'm going to use this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline World. Actually very hard and very good part. Okay, I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. Okay, oh my god, it's very hard. It's like and I'm going to do my eye makeup. For the palette, I'm going to use this as usual, my Huda Beauty Desert Dux palette. For the transition color, I'm going to pick this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. It's very hard to blend this. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Really? Look at this. Oh my god, I can't do this. But it's a challenge, so I cannot give up. An outer corner to crease, I'm going to pick this color. But let's see. I haven't washed my brush as well. Oh my god. Look at this. This is so horrible, man. It's so horrible. I don't know why, but I'm just taking my brush so hard. Like this. Like so hard to take your brush and just blend. It's completely different, but I'm enjoying this. I hope you guys also enjoying it. For my eyelid, I'm going to pick this color with my finger like this. Oh yeah, now it's look nice. Look at this. Oh, I made it. It's so perfect. Now make this. For the liner, I'm going to use this Elegel Line Art Matte Eyeliner currently, which is my absolute favorite one. It's a matte one, so wow. Oh, I'm going to do wing liner, by the way. Okay, oh my gosh. I'm going to fill this. What do you think? Look at this. Okay, another eye. Okay. Oh my god, this one is better than this. I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Oh my god, oh my god. Mascara, I'm going to use this Raw Culture from Catrick Cosmetics. I have mentioned this before as well. Okay, okay, not so bad. Oh yeah, okay, okay. I'm not going to do this again because I'm totally scared right now. For the foundation, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra SD. I'm in the shade Y255. So, okay. And I'm going to blend this foundation with my beauty blender. Oh my god, it's very hard, my goodness. Look at this, oh my god, my hand is so tired. Okay, I think my left hand is weaker than my right hand. I don't know why. Foundation is done, so it's pretty much good. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, my hand is hard. For the powder, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix powder. My under eye area. First, I'm going to do dab, 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 dab. I'm going to do circular motion. I'm going to contour my face with my Elegel Pro Contour Powder. I feel totally different when I'm doing makeup by my right hand and my left hand. I feel nervous. Good job, baby. It's pretty much okay. Blush, and for the blush I'm going to use this Elegel Pro in the shade Natural. I have to smile. Okay, I'm going to smile. I'm trying to blend this as much as I can do, but as long as oh my god, it's too much blush. With a same blending brush for my lower lash line, I'm going to pick this. I'm going to put this on my lower lash line, and I'm going to put mascara on my lower lash line as well. And I'm very scared to do this. Let's do this! Okay. Oh, did you see that? Oh my god. Why? Look at this. Oh my god, I'm done with this. And of course, for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Oh, it's easy by the way. Maybe, but it's fine, you know. Oh. I'm enjoying this, by the way. I hope you guys also enjoying this. So I'm going to apply this on my lips. Right now I am feeling okay. Don't do this. But yeah, it's a challenge and I have mentioned this, so I have to do this. You can do this, baby. You can do this, okay? You can do this. Oh my god, I'm scared right now. It's perfect. Yes, I did it. Look at this. I'm feeling so good. So the makeup is done. I did it. The challenge is done. I'm quite happy with my makeup. Okay, let me see in the mirror. Brows is just no. This one is completely disaster. Look at this, my makeup. Whoa, look at this brows. Look at this eyes. And look at this mascara. Oh my goodness. And I'm happy with my left hand. I'm loving my left hand. I'm not that bad. Maybe. What do you think, guys? I don't know. What do you think about today's video, guys? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys have ever tried this challenge, like left hand makeup challenge, so share me your pictures. That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy, guys. Bye bye. See you.